Hello everyone. Welcome back to another new video. In this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best women's running shoes in 2019. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information with updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At listed number 5. DUOYANGJIASHA Women's Running Shoes. It features breathable and durable air mesh upper allows the foot to breathe. Its style's midsole provides an exceptionally lightweight midsole with excellent bounce back and durability. This sneaker's shoe material is synthetic fabric. It has a breathable mesh upper with laces for a good fit, fashion for camouflage design. Non-slip rubber soles with high elasticity and softness can be bent freely, adapting to the ground for stability and working strategically. This fashion sneakers shoe comes with 6 colors, available: white, blue, dark gray, pink, gray, rosered. Comfort system is designed to provide lightweight shock absorption. These shoes are also very versatile as you can use them for other functions such as hiking, traveling and running. Number 4. Feetmat Sneakers Ultra. It is fashionable athletic footwear for all activities. It has a breathable knit mesh upper. The upper is made of knitted mesh material, features lightweight and breathable. This lightweight shoe provides feelings of walking barefooted for a more natural running or walking. Breathable fly knit woven fabric upper offers superior comfort, stretchy, soft and durability. Its non-slip rubber soles with high elasticity and softness can be bent freely, adapting to the ground for stability and working strategically to optimize the unique properties of every touch and push. Shock absorber sole adopts technology that dynamically adapts with each foot strike to the ever-changing amount of force placed on the foot during the run. It's soft and protective to cushion your every step. Both upper and sole are soft, can bear any bend or twist and make you move much freely. Number 3. Puma Women's Tazon 6. This stylish sneaker sports a synthetic leather upper with midfoot saddle for maximum fit and comfort, while EVA in the heel absorbs impact. This workout shoe from Puma utilizes a grippy rubber outsole to provide slip resistance and protection from abrasion. The geometrical pattern of the unit features the multi-directional treads for the added traction during various types of movement. Synthetic leather is used as the primary material for the upper unit for comfort and durability. The low-profile midsole of the Puma Tazon 6 FM provides a close-to-the-ground feel to the wearer. The cushioning of the shoe relies on a soft foam sock liner, which offers a smooth yet plush feel under the foot. The Puma Tazon 6 FM features a stitched-on midfoot saddle. The T-toe design in the forefoot section involves an extra layer of leather for the added structure and protection against wear and tear. Padding is placed throughout the collar and tongue of the shoe for extra comfort and cushioning. Number 2. TIOSEBON Women's Athletic Walking Shoes. TIOSEBON is a pursuit of simple, natural, comfortable, fashionable and environmental protection shoe. This sporty offering convenient slip-on design and a thick sole for shock absorption in every step. A rubber sole keeps you grounded wherever you roam. Breathable and durable air mesh upper allows the foot to breathe. Open mesh on the upper and hole on the sole provides for superior breathability and quick drying. Solite midsole provides an exceptionally lightweight midsole with excellent bounce back and durability. It comes with slip-on fashion sneakers with an elastic topline for easy on and off. It is designed with high elastic MD outsole, slip-resistant, easy to manage any area. Classic pigskin insole with cushion is used for comfort. It uses latex arch insert for added support. It is wash resistance. Number 1. ASICS Women's Gel Shoe. This trail running shoe is an excellent choice for the neutral runner. The Gel Venture 5 provides the ultimate support for those who prefer to run off-road. The fit is fantastic and provides the proper support for a durable shoe. The heel of the shoe is 1.25, and the platform is 0.75. The ASICS Gel Venture 5 is made out of synthetic overlaid mesh fabric that breathes well and is also water-resistant. They also feature reinforced toes for protection and safety while running. These shoes lace up for natural fit and comfort. They also feature reinforced toes for protection and safety while running. There are deep grooves and a rubber sole. That features helps provide improved traction. There is a rear foot gel cushioning pad that provides extra support for the heel. They also both come with AHAR abrasion compound in strategic areas throughout the shoe. These high-quality running shoes also come with a removable sock liner. The shoes are machine washable as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a and subscribe to our channel. See more videos like this in the future, and if you any questions related to of products we listed here, leave comment down below and we'll get back to soon as I can.